So we are going to have dinner at the Rainforest Café.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So to get to the Rainforest Café, you have to go sort of outside and then back in. So we're walking through the shop. The shop is like a rainforest. And here is the cafe. Oh look, we're right near the cheetah. Even the table as well. The elephant's ears are moving. Quick, get up and walk around soon. Oh, okay, it stops. Look at the show off.
You're a show off.
You're a show off.
You're a show off because you want to show everyone.
No, I want to have a look at the stuff. Well, these would have been good going off. Oh, yeah, this moved his head. I'm just filming.
I'm in so many pictures that I don't know about this video.
I don't think I got yours right.
Oh, they got tails.
They got tails.
Oh, giraffe. I'm going to be a giraffe.
Alright, no.
Giraffe. I want it to be a giraffe. I know, Ariel.
So we're in Mexico City, in Epcot, Orlando, Florida. Yes, the home.